Hi, my name is Chris Gillis from Roden Schwartz. We're here at Mobile World Congress, Barcelona 2019. For many people, millimeter wave over-the-air testing is a strange, unfamiliar new world. I'd like to show you how it can be just as reliable and efficient when you're testing compared to sub-6 G. Our setup here has two parts. The first part here is the tester itself. This is the CMP200 connected to the remote radio heads. Out of the CMP itself comes the IF frequencies, so you're generating signals or analyzing signals in the uplink. Having a remote radio head makes you able to minimize your losses in the millimeter wave, which is very important. This remote radio head covers all the important frequency ranges in FR2 for 5G. The second important part is the shielding cube. This is the CMQ here. This can be configured with different absorbers for different kinds of devices inside. Now all of this setup, Roden Schwartz provides an integrated setup with accessories, power sensors as well. This is very important to make sure that the accuracy is very high, it's repeatable, and you can get a good yield when you're testing your product. Lastly, this setup is flexible, so you can test directly with the IF frequencies coming out of here. You can test with conducted millimeter wave or over-the-air millimeter wave. So as you see with the solution from Roden Schwartz, testing with 5G millimeter wave over the air is not so different from sub-6 G. Still just as efficient and reliable.